you want a flow-forming machine to make smaller diameter and longer products, you can use 3-wheel spinning machine. CNC metal spinning machine adopts Siemens system and automatic programming software. The program can be generated automatically as long as the machine movement trajectory is drawn. Therefore, the products produced are of high precision, high strength, capable of one-time molding and good appearance quality, particularly suitable for manufacturers in the development phase, with the ability to flexibly adjust the parameters to the product.